Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Christine with Gauge Girl Training, an online meal planning and coaching service. I'm a food scientist and chemical engineer by training. Today's video, we're going to ask the question, is a shred right for you? So let's get started. So I am pleased to announce that we are starting another 6-week shred challenge starting on April 16th. This is a 42-day nutrition challenge, and we're also going to be pairing it with our body type training plans, which will be available in our fitness app, which we'll have details for in the next week for how you can purchase access to it, as well as monitor and logging your workouts. I wanted to talk about whether or not a shred is right for you, and we're going to be launching a new edition of the shred in the next month. But for this challenge, we have 2 new editions of the 6-week shred program, and we are offering a budget-friendly edition. This has been something that has been a big request, and as a result, we have delivered. So we are offering an original version of the shred as well as the keto edition of the shred, and these shreds are going to have 14 menus apiece. They are intended to be prepared for a few days at a time, and it's intended to be done as a group challenge where you get access to our Team Gauge Girl private Facebook accountability forum to help keep you accountable along the way through this journey. So these are brand new programs that have been formulated to be budget friendly. They have great grocery lists. Everything has been all detailed and calculated. They have new recipes. Super awesome. You guys are really going to enjoy this. And this is excellent for those of you who are on a budget. Now, here's the thing. Is a shred even right for you? Now, this is a great program, but this is not intended to be a way of life. This program is intended to help you kickstart a longer-term health and fitness goal, as well as to help you finish losing those last few pounds. So if you have less than 25 pounds to lose and you're really trying to get the last little bit of fluff off of your body, this is great for you. However, please note that if you need a slower approach, if you need a more stable, steady, sustainable approach, this is not for you. Please note that this is intended to be something a little bit more aggressive. It is intended to shred you. So if you're a person who does a lot of training, needs a lot of calories to fuel that, this is not for you. And I'm saying all of this just because I want the end user experience to be a positive one, so that way you are signing up for what you expect. Now, you will see on our new page, GGT_transformations, you can see lots of the results of the challenge winners and just people who've gone through this protocol. And it's a really great program. The awesome thing is that this new program will be going for sale before the challenge, which is on April 16th. And this is going to be the cheapest challenge we have ever launched in Gauge Girl Training history. It is only $39.99 for the program. Yes, $39.99. You can get the original shred in budget edition or the keto in budget edition. Now, both editions are going to have recipes and menus you've never seen before, and there is a separate entry fee to join the challenge. To join the challenge, where our first prize winner is going to win a trip to come to our LA meetup in August, and that is August 18th. So we're really excited to offer that to you guys, but these are all intended to be budget friendly. It's available for men and women. Beyond excited to offer this to you guys. So be on the lookout for this. We'll have the link soon, and sign up for our newsletter to stay up to date. Check out our new Instagram page, GGT_transformations, to see some of the success stories of people who have completed this program. This is a brand new program. We've never launched anything like it before. It's only $39.99 for the program, and it's only $6.99 to enter the official challenge. Challenge rules below, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye now.